Hi everyone, Jane here from Jenny and Teddy. In this tutorial, we are going to make fancy lace crochet stitch. You can see the stitch here. In this stitch, I use in many of my pattern from the crochet top to the cardigan and poncho. So let's get started. So in this fancy lace stitch, we will start with the foundation chain of multiple of 4 plus 2. In this example, I will start with the foundation chain of 16 chain. So we will start with the slip knot. And then chain 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16. After we have 16 chain already, and then we will add 2 more chain, 1 and 2. So now we have a total of 18 chain. So we will crochet in each chain across until the end here. We will make a single crochet in each chain across. 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet. So we will continue making a single crochet in each chain across here. I will meet you at the end. Now we are at the end of the row that we just make single crochet in each chain across, and then we will chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Turn your work. And on this row we will start to make the fancy lace stitch row by skip first stitch here and then make 2 double crochet, chain 2 and 2 double crochet all in the same stitch. One double, two double, then we chain 2, 1 and 2, and make 2 double crochet all in the same stitch. 1 and 2. Now we just create our first fancy lace stitch already. Then we're going to skip 3 stitch, 1, 2, 3, and make 2 double crochet, chain 2 and 2 double crochet all in the same stitch. See, skip 3, 1, 2, 3. On the next one we make 2 double crochet, chain 2 and 2 double crochet, here we create our second fancy last stitch already. We're gonna keep going by skip 3, 1, 2, 3 stitch and make 2 double crochet, chain 2 and 2 double crochet in the next stitch. One double, 2 double, chain 2, 1, 2, and make 2 double crochet all in the same stitch. We skip 3, 1, 2, 3 and make the same, repeat the same. Make 2 double crochet, chain 2 and 2 double crochet. At the end you have 2 stitches left, 1, 2, skip 1 stitch, skip 1 and make 1 double crochet. Now we finish our first row of the fancy last stitch already. We will keep I will show you what to make next row. At the end we will chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, turn your work. Now on this row will be very easy, so we will make you can see the chain space from the previous row, here, here and here. In each chain space we making 2 double crochet, chain 2 and 2 double crochet all in the same chain space. And this one will not count as anything. One double, two double, chain 2 and then make 2 double crochet all in the same chain space from the previous row. See, we got one and the second one will be here, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 1, 2 and 2 double crochet. You keep going, 2 double crochet in the chain space from the previous row, 1 double, 2 double, chain 2 and then make 2 double crochet. And on the last one, gonna make the same, 2 double crochet, chain 2, one, แล้วก็ make 2 double crochet. You can see we are at the end now. This one is chain 3 from the previous row. We making 1 double crochet in the chain 3 from the previous row. And now we're gonna repeat this row, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn your work, and we will repeat this row, the second row of the fancy last stitch, by 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, all in the same chain space from the previous row, here, here. After you repeat this, you will have the big piece of the fancy last stitch that you can making anything from crochet top to poncho, cardigan. So thank you so much for watching. I have the photo tutorial step by step on my blog. I will put the link in the description below. I hope you like the tutorial. Thank you so much.